The quality of furniture is regulated by different requirements. In order to identify reliability and durability of a product, certain tests need to be conducted. We are going to demonstrate some of them right now. Follow me. There is a multifunctional 5-axis testing stand. It is able to test different kinds of furniture. We will begin with the table stability test. On a distance of 50 mm from the edge of the table, with the help of a vertical axis, we are going to apply the force of 750 newtons. Now we will identify the tabletop and table design strength, also with vertical force application. The load is quite high, 100 kg, but application of the force wouldn't be for too long, just for 10 seconds. Based on the regulation, there will be 4 points marked on the tabletop. Each of them will be loaded 10 times. Now we are going to test strength of the table design under horizontal load. 450 newtons will be applied to short sides of the table alternately, 10 times for 10 seconds on each of them. After we made sure of the table's strength, we are going to test its durability. The difference between durability and strength is that we identify the deformation during small repeating loadings that occur in the time of exploitation. We will begin with durability testing under horizontal loading. Cylinders will apply the force from 0 to 300 newtons alternately to the points on the table as indicated in GOST. There will be 5,000 cycles in total. And now we are going to test table's durability again, but this time under vertical load. To do so, we need to mark a point on the central line of the table, 100 mm from the edge. The force of 150 newtons will be applied to this point. This point will be loaded 10,000 times. Now we are moving on to the next type of the furniture. There is an upholstered furniture unit in front of you, an armchair. We shall begin with an armrest strength testing. We put 60 kg weight at the center of a seating place. The force of 800 newtons will be applied to the center of the armrest in vertical direction. The load shall be sustained for 60 seconds. The force application is repeated 10 times. Now, let's test the strength of the armchair's legs. To do this, we fix the legs and place the loading elements in longitudinal and transverse directions in the center of lower surface of the seat. The load of 400 newtons will be applied alternately to the two sides of the armchair 10 times. We are moving on to the next test, see durability and deformation. Before the durability test, we measure the initial height at the regulated point for subsequent deformation calculation. Then, on top of the loading point, we place a loading element. A force of 1000 newtons will be applied to the point. This action will be repeated 5000 times. Upon completion of all cycles, we remeasure the height of the seat and perform deformation calculation. It shouldn't exceed 10%. We have finished testing of the armchair, and now we are moving on to the next furniture type. There is a small cupboard with drawers in front of you, and we are going to perform two tests on it: drawer pull-out force and drawer's durability. We shall begin with the drawer pull-out force. In order to calculate the exploitation force, we measure internal net volume of the drawer. This test is conducted manually with a dynamometer. We connect it to the front wall of the drawer, then pull out loaded drawer for 2/3 of its depth and make a record of the highest value. Another measurement is taken after the durability test. We are moving on to the durability test. The idea of the method includes cyclic pulling out and pushing in of the drawer, loaded by exploitation load. Another measurement is taken after 20,000 cycles upon its mechanism's check. We have finished both tests on this sample, and now we are moving on to the next furniture type. There is a unique, expensive, state-of-the-art mattress stand in front of you. The feature of the stand is that its work is fully automatic. With the help of integrated lasers, sensors, and LED strip lights, the machine is able to conduct the test on its own, fully excluding human factor. This ability simplifies engineers' duties, increases the accuracy, and significantly decreases testing time. Now, let's get directly to the testing of a mattress. We place the mattress inside the stand, fix it, and turn the testing program on. With the help of special sensors, the machine identifies dimensions of the mattress. Then, it produces initial height measurement at 12 points, as indicated in GOST. After that, stand starts 29,000 rolling cycles. Upon finishing of all cycles, another height measurement is conducted in order to calculate the results. These are not all the tests that are carried out during the furniture certification. We have tried to show you the most interesting ones. Keep up with the Rostest Academy. We make everything clear.